Gosh.
Stop hunting me. Why are you hunting me? Stop it.
Oh, good boy. What is it? Is that a fucking bunny rabbit?
Oh, oh yeah, fucker.
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. I know you're about to bite me. Ow!
Do we got a problem? You looking at?
See your own reflection. Oh my god. I'm gonna take you home. Oh, he's like, no.
I'm so hungry I could eat pagagwa. Oh my. Oh man.
Good girl. Good job. See, so good.
What's the word? What's the haps? What's your major?
What is this, Chica? Oh. You want to be in there? I told you.
What was that? Was that a bird?
You don't like it?
You two are sitting together? What are you two doing together? Ivar.
Hi. He's next to you. I'm sure you know this. Oh. Oh, Ivar, you need help.
Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Should I get a dog?
That was the point where we began to become divorced.
Can you hold on?
Quit it. You're driving me nuts.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking Kyle! You look adorable. Don't argue.
Oh, you come back for more?
Is you done?
Darling, I am already so proud of you.
야, 너가 와서 맞았다.
사과하세요.
미안.
Špijuniro golubiro. Jebeni golub kojeg šalje vlada u javnost da špijunira ljude. Mislite da vas još nije našao? Bolje vam je da se već odmah idete sakriti ispod svoje male slatke meka. Ballerina cappuccina. Mi. È la moglie di Cappuccino Assassino. E ama la musica la. La sua passione è il ballerino lololo.
Floor, the terrazzo floor. If you're walking on it all day, it's hard on you. It's smooth. It's slippery.
Oh, no. Did you fix that up?
Oh, did you come?
What's your problem? Are you gonna square up with me?